Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. Before the vlog I'm putting out, there's a couple of bits of information that have come through that I want to share with you. First of all, from the 17th of April 2017, TT Currency Exchange will no longer be accepting the old English £5 note. I know. People must be bringing them, otherwise they wouldn't put it out. So no comments about that, please. Here's a quick photo of one so you know, and the notification for TT currencies. Those that are still not sure about the e-cigarettes, vapor things, here's a quick message brought in. I've copied it for you from Mark the lawyer. This is from a lawyer in Bangkok on the e-cigarettes and vaping.
I sent you a link a few days ago about a statement by the Bangkok Police Department that they are going to start enforcing a law against e-cigarettes. Those are the electronic cigarettes that a lot of tobacco users want to use to get off of traditional cigarettes. The manufacture of those e-cigarettes and their components is illegal in Thailand. It is illegal to sell them in Thailand. And now they're indicating it is illegal to possess them and bring them into the kingdom.
Oh no.
And the penalty for possessing a e-cigarette is 5 years in prison.
Oh, come on, how ridiculous.
And it's because it wasn't declared at customs. You couldn't have gotten it into Thailand without having brought it through customs and not declaring it.
Well, how about for tourists, though? I mean, they don't. That's ridiculous. Is it just for Thai people, or what is about the tourists?
No, it's everybody. Yeah, so I'm not saying they're going to enforce that, but that was a statement from the police department this week.
Okay, let's get on with the show. Thank you very much. Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. Today we are starting a week, I don't know, about a week maybe. We're going to do a little look at JOMTIEN. We're on Pattaya Road in JOMTIEN. The traffic lights just here, the building, that is where the BART buses turn right and go down to JOMTIEN Beach Road. They'll go that way. We'll take you to Pattaya. BART bus 10 baht. All BART buses 10 baht. That's these here. Jump on it, flag it down, jump on 10 baht. Oh yeah, you can even get back here, straight back into view today. So, TMB Bank, it's like a point for you. Coming down to Pattaya Road, which is the main Pattaya JOMTIEN Road. On the left here, TMB Bank. Entrance here into view today. I'm going to show you an apartment. They do a lot of long-term rentals here. Very good prices, I believe. We're going to see an agent. It's going to show you a room, show you the swimming pool, and we'll have a little look around. But as a long-term rental, close-ish to the beach, comfortable, very, and plenty of bars action all around. BART buses 10 baht go all around. It's a great place. Maybe next year, I've just signed another 12-month contract for the house. So That's building 1. I mean, maybe next year I might want to come back down closer to the beachfront. JOMTIEN end is cheaper than Pattaya, but you can still jump BART buses. So here we have the second building. Again, second building, all shops, agents, massage, restaurants on the ground floor. All the living up there. So very quiet here. It's the second building in, will be a lot more quieter for living here. So let's go in and see Moon Properties. I shall be putting their link, they have Facebook contacts in the video. You'll see, I'll show you the numbers, the office, the emails and the phone number to contact. So there you go. Right, so let's go in. Okay, so this is inside the downstairs view today. All on the ground floor along each side you have shops. All sorts, food, drink, massage, laundry, everything's here. And this little office here, the first office, is the Moon Property, open from 9 AM to 5 PM. Email addresses, I hope you're taking note of this. Telephone numbers. There you go. So the Moon Property had many studios, apartments for sale and rent, a lot for rent. So this is where I've come. These are the guys I've spoken to showing us the apartment. Going to show us the apartment now. So let's go and have a look. Okay. So this is a studio apartment, the view today. It's a 41 square metre. Very good size. TV, nice little sofa. Out onto the balcony, try not to go over the side. Oh, I hate heights. You even have, well, I suppose it's a sea view. I mean, it's not Loch Ness over there, is it? So you've got a bit of a sea view. I think you can see the island. I don't know if it's a bit too... there you go. That's Koh Larn, the island across there that you can see there. So, Pattaya, zip wire. Yeah, we can leave that alone. So, I mean, not a bad view. Now, there's some private houses, a little housing estate there that you may come down, look at. You could get a long-term rental there. Would be more than here, obviously, for a house in JOMTIEN. But this you would rent long-term, he said 12,000 baht a month. Very, very close. Like I said, we're on to Pattaya Road, so you've got a BART bus route all the way into JOMTIEN or down to Pattaya. So nice little bathroom. So let's go and have a look at the swimming pool. So this is at the end of the building. It's literally, it's just a glass pane. So, but I mean, it's reasonably close to the beach here. The park tower just over there, very nice. You've got there's a double pool each, both very similar. That's for the block over there, and this one's for here. So it's a very good size. Let's go down and have a better look. Let's go down and have a good look around it. So we come out at the end of the building to the swimming pool area, which it's very nice, good sized pool. Plenty of sun, very open. I'm not sure, looks like a little bar, maybe a food restaurant area. Yeah, from here. So that's the pool, end to end. Plenty big enough for exercise swimming. Well, it says here Grumpy's Pool Cafe. So we'll find out. Grumpy Inn. Open all day? Here, open all day. Food, drink, all day? Yes, no. What time open? 5 o'clock.
5:40 o'clock.
Okay. Cup and cup. Open what, 9 a.m?
Open 9.
Cup and cup. So the cafeteria, bar area, open 9 in the morning until about 5:30 p.m. So pretty much all day. So the view today, well worth looking at. If you're coming out long term, I like it. I do. I've always have liked the view today's. They are bigger rooms. You're looking about, I think minimum is 37 square metre. They're ranging 41. The bigger, obviously, the studios. There's one bed. There's two beds. The bigger they are, the more expensive they are. But you're looking from 11,000, 12,000 baht a month, long term, on a 1 year contract. Maybe negotiable. Everything's negotiable. Have a look. Check it out, but well worth a look. Good size studios, nice area. Anyway, if you like the little vlog, give me a like, thumbs up, share, subscribe, up to you. And we'll see you very, very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.